Saw you walking by today.
Welcome to the art of crafting wooden cutting boards, a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. Let's create a kitchen masterpiece together. Explore the beauty of hardwoods like maple, walnut, and cherry. Each offers unique characteristics for your cutting board. Gather your tools: saws for cutting, clamps for gluing, and oils for finishing. Proper equipment ensures a professional result. Precision is key. Carefully measure and cut your wood to achieve the perfect board dimensions. Let creativity flow as you arrange wood pieces. Experiment with patterns to create a unique, eye-catching design. Apply glue evenly and use proper clamping techniques. This ensures a strong, lasting bond between wood pieces. Address imperfections with epoxy. This step guarantees a smooth, flawless surface on your cutting board. Flatten and trim your board to achieve the perfect shape. Precision here sets the foundation for a professional look. Use a router to shape corners and edges. This step adds a professional touch to your cutting board. Sand progressively through different grits. This process is crucial for achieving a silky smooth surface. Finish with food-safe oils and waxes. This step protects your board and enhances its natural beauty. Consider board thickness and design variations. Regular maintenance will ensure your cutting board's lasting beauty. Ready to start your wooden cutting board project? Click the link below for more detailed instructions and tips.
You look more beautiful